Hi, my name is Kris, and I am part of the Printable Cuttable Creatables design team for 2022. And on today's video, I am showing you how I made this chalkboard sign using the cut file first day of school chalkboard sign SVG file from Printable Cuttable Creatables. And so for this project, what you'll need is some sort of chalkboard. So I found this chalkboard paper. It's a bit thick paper. I found this chalkboard paper at my local Michael's. It is the Make Market brand. I also used Oracal vinyl for the white lettering, and I also used Oracal vinyl for the blue lines, and the rest of the colors that you see is all cardstock that I had in my stash. So really all you need is chalkboard, vinyl, and cardstock, and you could do this project just like I have. In the video you will see my daughter and I designed this together. I talk you through just a little bit. It's a big file, lots of options, and all you do is you set your template to the size of your chalkboard, which mine was 11 by 14, and then all you do is you click and you drag and you resize the elements that you want to add to your chalkboard. So I've added the first day, the little banner here. We have I am how many years old and inches tall, favorite color, the teacher's name, when I grow up I want to be, you fill that in, some of your child's favorite things. I thought this was a fun one. I added this. This is my own personal touch, is the class of 2035. And then my favorite summer memories. So all we did was we clicked and then we dragged and then we resized all the elements that we needed. And this was the information that we wanted to have on our sign. So alright, so the cut file that we will be working with today is the first day of school chalkboard sign SVG cut file kit. And so here you could see these are some examples that they have here. 3 pre-designed SVG sign templates plus over 60 cuttable SVG design elements and phrases. So let's go into Cricut Design Space and let's get started. I'm going to upload the, I have it already prepped here. I have uploaded already. And so I'm going to add it to my canvas. Alright, so now with this one, there's instructions that come with every SVG file, and these instructions say that you need to ungroup it twice, and then you could click and drag. So, the chalkboard that I'm working with is 11 by 14, so I'm going to ungroup once. Okay, here's my chalkboard, perfect. Okay, so I'm going to make my chalkboard 11 by 14. 11 by 14. I'm going to unlock it and I'm going to make it 14 even. Alright. Now I'm going to make it 14 and I'm going to lock it in place. So here it is here. So I'm going to move my screen a little bit smaller so I can see what I'm working with here. Alright, we have that. So now I'm just going to take design elements of what I want and I'm going to start adding it on. So I'm going to put this here and I'm going to make it bigger. Like that. So right now what you can see me doing is I am actually picking off the small white dots because I had a very difficult time weeding them out of my vinyl, and so I lost several through the weeding process. So what I essentially did was just take a round circle and I made a thick offset of the circle, and I made it thicker to make up for those dotted circles. I hope that you enjoyed watching us take you through the planning of designing this board. The SVG file is great. It has so many options. She has pre-made templates and the ability to create your own with whatever information you want to have. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing what you create with your first day of school chalkboard sign. Thanks for being here.